Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 C300 4MATIC. This one's a steel gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 17-inch twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. An almond beige MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, our C300 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, full down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a burl walnut wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start it up. Got our media display. Hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission. This C-Class has 57,413 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.